Hey guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. But this episode is all about more cool car tech. So this is the 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 6. It's a World Car of the Year award winner, and it offers some real cool car tech. One of my favorite features though is Smart Trunk. So just simply approach the rear of the vehicle. I'm not using my hands or my feet. The key fob is actually in my pocket, and the trunk door will automatically open all by itself. This is actually adjustable in height as well. So how do you make all of this work? Well, check this out. So like I mentioned, Smart Trunk is one of my favorite features, but to activate it, you have to go through your infotainment system. So scroll over until you see the setup icon. Give that a click. Then look for the vehicle icon. Give that a click. Then scroll down until you see door. Click that, and then Smart Trunk. If this isn't clicked, then that means Smart Trunk is not activated. So activated, now it's ready to go. Now you want to adjust the height as well. Well, not a problem. Power trunk opening height, right? Select that. You can choose fully open or halfway open. Easy breezy, just like that. If you want to learn more about the 2023 Hyundai Ioniq 6, check out my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.